welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how I did my soft locks, and as you can see is the butt length is 36 inches and I use color 350. I do have the link to the hair in my description box, and I'll just tell you more as we go in this video. So now I'm going to be parting my hair again. I'm not looking at the back. I'm just like following my fingers and just parting my line. So first I'll just make like a messy line. I know it's messy because I'm just like making the line. And then I'm going to like go back and just try my best to make it as smooth as possible. Again, it's not going to be the way I do my clients, but when I'm done, you can't really tell the difference if it's a clean part or not. But I always do, sorry guys, my voice. I always do the boxes parts for myself, though I want to do free parts, but I don't know, I just can't because I cannot really see the back of my head. So I always do boxes, and that's probably the easiest part I could do for myself. You know, only if I get somebody to part them for me and then I go ahead and braid them. But I don't know anybody. I don't have anybody here. So I do boxes for myself. And now I'm going to go ahead and individually braid my natural hair, just like I do my clients' soft locks. But first, before I braid my hair, I have to try to make sure that my boxes are really clean. Sometimes they're clean, sometimes they're not clean, but honestly, when I'm done with the style, you're going to love it. As you saw earlier in this video, like it was so, pretty. But yeah, so I just went ahead and just brushed it up. I already applied my oil. Like my hair is really, really oily right now. So that's why you don't see me applying any type of product. For my clients, I'm going to use edge control. But for myself, I just don't, because it's myself. And honestly, I've been hoping to do my hair. It's been like 2 weeks now and I'm just like delaying myself. So I just wanted to just get it over with. So now I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair, and I'm not going to braid all the way to the ends. I'm just going to braid half and then twist the rest of them. And I'm going to do that for the rest of my hair. As you can see, we're done. And I went ahead and I tried to count my braids. And I had about, I want to say 57 to 60 counts of braids. And now we're going to start. As you can see, it doesn't look that bad, but this is how I braid my hair. Yeah. So as you can see, the one that I'm holding right now is what I'm going to crochet first. This is a 36 inches Locs. I do have the hair link in my description box. And one that you see me holding right now is the sprinkled hair. Is 8 inches, but you can see it stretches really, really long. My voice. But as you can see, it stretches really, really long. So if you want to do butt length and waist length and whatever length you want to do, you can always use the 8 inches hair. That is what I use for all my clients, no matter what length they're asking for. So for this one that you can see me holding right now, the 36 inches, I used about 3 packs. I did not really finish the whole pack, the three packs, because it was only, we had about 20 something per pack, or 21 per pack, and aka bundles. So now we're going to go ahead and insert that. And usually for my clients, I would try my best to insert their natural hair or their individually braided hair inside the locks. But since I'm doing it for myself and I don't have time for that, and I know my hair is blonde, so it's just hard for me to cover it up. I just went ahead and I crocheted it. I just twisted it together, because I'm going to go back again and wrap it with the sprinkled hair. So I didn't really care to, crochet my natural hair inside the locks, because that would have taken me like, I don't know, forever. This style literally took me about 5-6 hours, and I did that on myself. So if I individually crocheted, it would have taken me way longer. And I did not have time for that at all. Sorry guys, I kept looking back because sometimes my camera, I would think is recording, but it's not really recording. So I just keep looking back, but sometimes it just stop recording for no reason. I don't know why, guys. But yeah, I'm going to do this I'm just gonna do this and then wrap around, and then when I get to the front, I'll just show you guys the whole process of me crocheting and then wrapping with the sprinkled hair. But I wanted to show you guys how I do my hair at home. So it's not that hard. I think the hardest part is me trying to braid my natural hair or just part my hair, period. Other than that, like everything else is just easy breezy, and I enjoy doing this style. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And I think I will say something on the next slide if need be. But okay, so now we're here. This is me. I'm already done. Like I was so tired. It didn't take that long, but yeah. Again, same process. I'm going to crochet the hair under my braids, and then I'm going to go ahead and twist it and then go over with the sprinkles hair. But I want to show you guys how I go over with the sprinkles hair, before I let you guys be. So again, I only had about 50 something strands of locks. So you can go ahead and, you can get like 3 packs. It's going to fool your head. 3 packs is okay for you, because I didn't really finish my 3 packs because I only had 50 something counts. And 1 pack, aka bundle, has about 21 to 22 counts of crochet locks. So that would, that is enough for like a full head. For my clients, I usually use like the 3 or 3.5, because sometimes I do 60 something counts for my client to 70. Just depends on how small they want it to be. As you can see, I had 5 on the left and 5 on the right. So that's like basic small. But my clients, sometimes they want it extra small, so I would just do like 6 on each side. So that do add. So that's why I always use about 3.5 or sometimes just 3 flats for my clients. But for myself, I don't really care. So now we're done with that one. And we have about 2 more, guys. And I don't know, maybe I'll just go ahead and show you guys wrapping the sprinkles here. So, never mind. I guess I'm just trying to finish up before I start wrapping. But yeah, I don't know what other. Okay, so we do have this color in color 27, color 613, color 30. We have burgundy. I think we have like a few more colors. And we do have this Locs in 36 inches and as well as 24 inches. 36 inches is if you want it to be your, butt length or past butt length. And 24 inches is like, waist length. And the good thing about this style, this Locs, is that if you cut it to the middle, let's say you get butt length and you get tired of it, you can always go back and cut it to waist length or mid back, and I promise you it's not going to unravel. I do have tutorial of me cutting my client's locks, and it did not unravel. She had it for like a month and she was just tired of the length, and she went ahead and cut it. So basically, if you spend so much money getting the butt length, you can always enjoy different lengths as time goes, because you don't have to stick with one length. Basically just give it the you can be versatile with your length. That's what I'm trying to say. Versatile with your length. And instead of getting like waist length or shorts, if you're a long hair person, get a butt length and then go ahead and cut it over time if you get tired of it. And in that way, you just enjoy the hair in like different length, basically. So yeah, we're almost done. So when I was done, usually for my clients, I'll go ahead and massage my client's hair with hot water. Again, because it's myself, I didn't really care. And plus, I was just tired. I just didn't want to, I just didn't care that much. But for my clients, I use hot water to make it softer. And this hair is extremely soft, guys, like extremely soft. So you don't have to worry about weight or anything, like literally very, very soft. So now it's time to use the sprinkles hair. As you can see, I pulled out 2 strands of the sprinkles hair, and I took one of the 2 strands and divided it into 2, and I'm going to go ahead and use 1.5 strand of the sprinkles hair. Sometimes saying it is confusing, so I hope you guys saw what I was doing. And now I'm going to go ahead and wrap, and I'm going to try to wrap as close as possible, and skip as I get to the ends of my blonde. The reason why I'm wrapping as close as possible is because my hair is blonde, so I don't want the blonde to show. If I had like black locks, and I also have black hair, I can just freestyle wrapping. But with this one, I have to be a little bit careful if I don't want the blonde to show. Like, I'm still freestyle wrapping, but I'm just being careful just so that we have a very, very little amount of the blonde hair showing through my locks. Yeah, so I did not really attach, or just kept inserting more sprinkles here. As soon as I was done, I just rub it to my palm, and that's it for their locks. As you can see, very, very easy to do, very, very smooth, and just, it doesn't even take that much time at all. Doing the same thing that's what I did for all my locks, and I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of them. And that will be all. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I hope, I explained what I did and stuff like that. So I saw a comment of somebody asking me to show them how I pat my hair for my locks for myself, and I hope this video helps because I don't do the fancy parts for myself. I just do like boxes. As you can see, I wasn't so careful, so my blonde hair was showing, but it's okay. It's just a little amount of blonde hair showing. So I tried not to make that mistake like all through my hair. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.